What is this? Wait, where am I? Monkey? Is that... Seriously? These cells were designed to hold stronger beings than you. So don't get your hopes up if you were planning to escape anytime soon. Where's Triangle? You're better off than he is. I will deal with you once we're finished. Finished? Finished with what? What are we gonna do?
Huh? Oh, you're finally awake. I swear, I thought you were gonna die there. Don't die on me again. Oh, God. Gee, you scared me.
Just stay away. All right, that's your side, and this is my side.
Okay.
No, don't look at me like that. All right, what is this place? How did I get here?
Okay, I don't know.
Huh? Wait, is that for me?
Kinda.
Oh. Thanks. So you've just been out here by yourself this whole time?
Yep. Kinda the only one out here.
Oh no. The reset. I can't stay here. I have to stop.
Oh God. Okay.
Why are you helping me? You
I don't
could have killed me
fucking
anytime you
know.
wanted. A while back you had the chance to at the
Look, I recognize
biomes.
you.
But you didn't. Why?
I don't know.
Huh. I guess you're not all that bad, huh? I guess I could learn a thing or two from you.
Since when?
I've been a real jerk recently. And I got so caught up in getting revenge that I pushed away the only two friends I have left.
Yeah, no friends.
And now I've got nothing. But I can't let that stop me right now. I need to make things right. I have to.
Whatever you fucking say.
All right, I just need to figure this out. Malchus was getting ready to leave the city. Well, maybe he was going to the malicious fortress.
That fortress?
What? Wait, hold on. Do you know where the fortress is? Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't mean to sound dramatic, but literally everyone on this planet is gonna die if you don't take me to that fortress.
There's a plan?
Please.
Fine.
Ugh, can you please stop? It's not gonna do anything. No, I think I figured it out. The force field gets weaker whenever I run into it, because the shockwave is taking up too much energy. So if I run into it and then immediately run into it again, it'll be too weak to keep me from getting through. Now I just quick go again and I'll be... Oh, okay, you know, now that I think about it, that was a really dumb idea. Excuse me, sir. The protective shield is ready to be activated.
Excellent. We'll turn it on right before we begin the reset.
Leonard, is there an issue?
Of course not. Where would there be?
Good. A deal is a deal. 1 million, as agreed. Your services are no longer required. You may leave and take your dogs with you.
Well, go on.
Here we are. It's bigger than I thought.
So this is it, huh?
Yep. Yep. Oh, that was one of those ships again. Never
Well,
get
we probably
these
shouldn't use the front door.
ships.
Maybe we can
Especially
find another
when
way
you
inside. I mean, you might as well come and help me. What else do you have going on in your life?
I mean, fine. I really don't have any. Here and there's our way. Ladies first.
All right. Follow me.
Fine. I still hate you, Triangle.